Transition Elements, Year 2 of A-Level Chemistry. So, what is a transition element? A transition element can be defined as a D-block element which can form at least one stable ion with an incomplete D subshell. A D-block element just means that it is found in the D block of the periodic table. There are two conditions for an element to be called a transition element. Firstly, it must be able to form a stable ion, and secondly, the ion must have a partially filled D subshell. The fascinating chemical properties of D-block elements are as follows. They can form complex ions. They are good catalysts. They can exist in variable oxidation states. They form colored ions. And we shall now elaborate in detail and provide examples of these wondrous chemical properties. Complex ion formation is discussed in a subsequent video. Iron metal is a catalyst for the production of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen gas. Manganese oxide is a catalyst for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into dihydrogen monoxide and oxygen molecules. Transition metals can exist in variable oxidation states. Chromium in potassium dichromate has an oxidation state of +6, but +3 in other compounds. Iron can have an oxidation state of +3 or +2. Transition metals can form colored ions. Chromium 6+ ions in potassium dichromate are orange in color, but chromium 3+ ions are green in color. And you should recall this from studying alcohols in AS chemistry. Iron 3+ ions are yellow in solution, whilst iron 2+ ions are pale green in solution. And that is the end of this video. Click the link for a brief and concise explanation of complex ion formation in transition metals.